So this is going to be a somewhat disembodied video. One of the things we want to do is show options for mobilizing the knee in prone. Try to keep it as succinct as possible. So if you wanted strict traction on the knee in prone, you can stabilize above the joint, so relatively on the femur, and you can simply traction inferior. Now, sometimes this is better, so I'm facing somewhat up table, and this is going to get pretty obscure just because everything, so my clothing is black, the table's black, but if I face down table, I can lean down table, so I can stabilize here, pull here, and if I'm close to the joint, I can rotate a little bit. So the rotation would just be that. Now, you can do a variation of that with respect to, I believe it's the most approximated orthopedic test is Apley's, right? So you can push straight down into the table to stabilize the femur, and then I'm going to come around here so it's a little bit more visible. You can traction. So as long as I keep the femur stabilized and I'm wrapped around, I just lift my body up. I don't pull with my hand. I lift with my body, and I can get some pretty good traction and rotation there. Now, the other thing that I can do is simply wedge, right? So again, I'm trying to get myself out of the way. When my hand goes in behind the knee, as I close the knee, everything is going to get mobilized. So essentially all surfaces between the femur and the tibia specifically are going to start to pull away from one another. So the front of the tibia is pulling away from the femur because I'm closing the knee. And then as I hit that wedge, it's going to essentially slide it all a little bit more. So you can put strain around the entire knee just by wedging in behind it. And then I can get a little bit of rotation based on what I identify as the restriction. But you'll see right about here, the calf will start to hit my hand, and that's how it does it. So you get soft tissue approximation almost in everybody, so the calf and the hamstring will hit. What I do is I alter that, so now the calf meat hits my hand and it becomes a wedge. Sweet.